Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome embodies the essence of luxury and grandeur, redefining the concept of mobile living with unparalleled opulence and bespoke craftsmanship. As a testament to Rolls-Royce's reputation for ultimate automotive indulgence, this motorhome would seamlessly blend elegance and comfort, creating a truly unique experience. From the outside, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome exudes an imposing yet refined presence, with the iconic Pantheon grille and bespoke lighting elements proudly announcing its lineage. The silhouette, carefully sculpted to convey fluidity and timeless elegance, would be a masterclass in design. Hand-polished surfaces, potentially featuring lustrous two-tone paint schemes, and meticulously crafted brightwork would reflect light with an almost liquid quality, while the Spirit of Ecstasy figurine would herald the arrival of a truly exceptional vehicle. Upon entering, guests are transported to a meticulously curated private residence, where every surface, fixture, and detail is crafted from the finest materials. Sumptuous leather upholstery, sourced from exclusive tanneries, adorns the seating areas and walls, while exotic wood veneers and deep-pile lambswool carpets add to the sense of luxury. The interior layout is entirely bespoke, tailored to the individual preferences of its discerning owner, featuring a grand salon, gourmet kitchen, and master suite designed for ultimate repose. State-of-the-art technology is seamlessly integrated, controllable via intuitive interfaces or voice commands, catering to every whim with bespoke lighting scenarios, climate control, and entertainment systems. Underneath this unparalleled luxury, the engineering is equally extraordinary, with a bespoke chassis prioritizing an effortless glide ride quality and a supremely refined engine ensuring silent and authoritative progress. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than a mode of transport. It's a statement of unparalleled prestige and a testament to the owner's uncompromising taste for the finest things in life. Catering to a clientele for whom conventional luxury is insufficient, this motorhome offers a truly unique blend of automotive artistry and palatial living, establishing itself as the undisputed benchmark for mobile extravagance. In essence, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a statement of unparalleled prestige and a testament to the owner's uncompromising taste for the finest things in life. It caters to a clientele for whom conventional luxury is insufficient, offering a truly unique blend of automotive artistry and palatial living. With its unparalleled features and bespoke luxury, this motorhome is truly fit for royalty.